Welcome to the sensitivity page of Research Engineer. Within diagnostic testing, sensitivity is the ability of a diagnostic test to detect a disease state. In order to set up an experiment to calculate the sensitivity of a diagnostic test, you must have access to the current gold standard method by which the diagnosis of the disease state is made. Here's the 2x2 table associated with diagnostic testing. Over here you have your diagnostic test, and up here you have your gold standard. You have positivity and negativity for the diagnostic test, and positivity and negativity for the gold standard. With sensitivity, we're focusing on this part of the 2x2 table. Sensitivity is essentially the proportion of people that have the disease as rated per the gold standard, but also tested positive for the disease state using our diagnostic test. One important aspect of sensitivity in regards to diagnosis is that diagnostic tests that have high levels of sensitivity, I'm talking high levels such as 95% sensitivity, have the ability to rule out a given diagnosis of a disease state. If you have a test that is 95% sensitive and the person you give that test to shows up as a negative, then you can rule out the disease state. So with high sensitivity, you can rule out disease states. Scrolling down here to this 2x2 table, you see the calculation of sensitivity, which is the number of true positives divided by the true positives and the false negatives. There's a fairly quick and easy streamlined way to calculate if a diagnostic test is useful at all, and this is with the Youden index. What you do is you add sensitivity and specificity of the diagnostic test together and subtract 100. Any Youden index below 50% means that the test is essentially worthless and you should discard it. Click on the specificity button to continue.